Fassoulia Khadra? Green bean stew. A main dish from Israel. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Cover meat with water. Add the bouquet garni, a small onion, bay leaf, piece of celery, sprig of parsley, and bring to a boil. Lower heat, cover, and simmer until meat is tender. Step at least 1 hour. In a cooking pot, the meat onto
fry
a plate,
onion
discarding
in
the
oil
flavoring
until
vegetables. Add the meat
If
and
your
fry.
cut of meat is a
Turning
very
over a
tender
few
one at 1
times.
need
Add
this
beans
cooking
and saute
stage,
for 5
so omit
minutes
it
and begin here. Cover with boiling water. Add salt, spices, and tomato paste. Adjust spices to taste. If the meat has been cooked beforehand,
you may use less black
meat
pepper
stock
or
instead
omit
of
it
boiling
altogether,
water.
but allspice
Lower
is
heat,
essential.
cover,
Serve with
and
rice.
cook for about 30 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.